In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit your WooCommerce login page to make it more personalized and user-friendly. Whether you're looking to streamline the login process for your customers or customize the design to align better with your brand, these steps will guide you through the entire process. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to start by installing a plugin that will give you more flexibility when editing login features. Head over to your WordPress dashboard and navigate to Plugins, then select Add New. In the search bar, type in Profile Builder. This is a powerful tool that will help you manage and customize user profiles and login pages more efficiently. Click on Install Now, and once that's complete, make sure to activate the plugin to allow it to start working its magic on your site. Now that Profile Builder is up and running, the next step involves setting up a new page to host your customized login form. Navigate to Pages and select Add New. This is where you'll create a fresh canvas for your login page. You might want to name it something intuitive like Login so that you and your customers know exactly what it's for. This step is crucial as it distinguishes the new login page from the rest on your site. With your new page created, it's time to add a special shortcode that enables Profile Builder's functionalities. In the content area of your new page, type in the shortcode WPPB Login. This shortcode is essentially a piece of code that tells WordPress to display a custom login form using the Profile Builder plugin. It acts like a bridge that connects your newly created page with the plugin's functionalities. Save or publish your page after adding the shortcode to ensure it's ready for the next steps. The final and most critical part of this process is setting your new page as the WooCommerce login redirect. This step ensures that whenever users attempt to log in, they're directed to your customized page and interact with the tailored form you just set up. To do this, navigate to WooCommerce on your WordPress dashboard and click on Settings. From there, proceed to Accounts and Privacy. This section contains various options related to user accounts on your site. Locate the setting that specifies which page to use for login and registrations, and update it to the new page you just created. By adjusting this setting, you're telling WooCommerce to direct login requests to your custom page instead of the default one. Once you make this change, your new customized login page, complete with all the personal touches and brand elements you've added, will be live and ready for use by your customers. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you can effectively enhance your WooCommerce site's login experience, adding a touch of customization that caters to your brand's unique style. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this walkthrough was helpful. Let me know your thoughts or if you have any questions in the comments below. Until next time.